You know these Riddlers had to go, my boy. Joker clean. I actually have never seen this fastener there. That's a new one for me. And you know them adapters gotta go. Them adapters, no bueno. It's time to balance the other two. Get them out the way. You know, if you're riding billets, you gotta be balanced out. One hitter quitter, baby. One hitter quitter. Wow. 0. Beautiful. All right. Looks like he had a little work done to the front end. See a fresh start in there. When you switch the shoes out, a lot, you get you mess with the threads too much. It's really easy to cross thread these things. So what's up? I always start by hand. Cannot go wrong with that. And then we're just gonna go a little snug with the powerful Milwaukee. Finish it up with a torque. Don't sound like much, but it's almost torqued down with that Milwaukee. That thing is strong. All right, one more to go. Síguele un poquito para allá. Yeah. Un poquito más. Eso mero. Dale, dale, dale. Ok. Ahora para allá y para acá. Más. Ahí está. Nice. I'm gonna throw that lube on there, my boy. That's the secret to success. That looby dooby. Driver's side front. Looby dooby again. Driver's side front. Like a boss. Brand new rubber.
El que inventó los carros, ¿verdad?
Los carros, los rines, pinches sonidos, todo ese desmadre, shit. Ah, 5, ya, 7, 8 años, bro. Y antes yo no las, yo decía, dame depósito para ordenarlas. No, yo no podía ordenarlas, bro. Fuck that. Y a veces pues se desanimaba la gente, como que, ¿no las tienes? No, güey, tienes que ordenarlas. Hell yeah. Got that shit, my boy. That's got a pop right there. You don't want to be too close to that. Usually the older tires would explode. These just seal. I see it coming up right there. Wait for the pop. Wait for it. Wait for it. Firing up. Oh, on my way. It's only a good deal when you do mixed use.
I don't know what I want to do with it, Marco. I done tried so hard to get that shit the way it is. I don't know what I want to do with it.
Yeah.
That's some damn good numbers, Marco.
Yeah, the hell yeah they are. There you go, my boy. I've been calling that company, they ain't calling me back. I've been calling, trying to make an appointment for you. I called every morning. You ready?